The Master Key System, Week 1. Welcome, Creator. I am so honored that you're here. If you're watching this, it's because you have a sense that there's more to life than meets the eye. And you're right. There is a force behind all things, a power that shapes reality itself. And today, you hold the key to access this power. I'm Angelica, and we are journeying through this Master Key system together. But we aren't just studying it, we are living it. Most people look outside themselves for answers. They chase success, love, or peace as if these things are hidden in the world. But the ancient truth remains, as above, so below. Or the world without is a reflection of the world within. Everything you see around you, your home, your relationships, your bank account, it all started as a thought. Thought is the seed. Condition, or the life that you live, is the harvest. If you want to change your life, you must first change your thinking. But how do you change your thinking when your mind is so noisy? You begin with the body. Although it may seem like it, you're not isolated. You are connected to a vast, infinite intelligence. Call it the universal mind, the source, or the divine. It's the substance of all things, and you are an individualization of it. When you align your thoughts with this universal mind, you stop struggling and you start creating. But this alignment requires a vessel that is clear. A dirty mirror cannot reflect the sun, and so a tense body cannot channel power. So, before we go deeper into this course, we must learn the art of sacred relaxation. I want to invite you to pause whatever you're doing. If you're driving, please save this for later. But if you are safe, let's take a few minutes to unlock your power. Find a comfortable position, sitting upright, spine straight, like a column of light. Rest your hands gently on your lap, palms facing upwards. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing everything. Now bring your awareness to your feet. Feel them resting on the floor. Consciously relax your toes. Let go of any tension. Feel the relaxation move up into your ankles, your calves, your knees. Let your legs become heavy and still. Move your awareness to your hips and your stomach. Soften your belly. There's nothing you need to hold on to right now. You are safe. You are supported. Let the relaxation flow up your spine, vertebra by vertebra, washing away any stiffness. Relax. Relax your shoulders. Let them drop away from your ears. Feel the tension melt down your arms, into your elbows, your wrists, and out through your fingertips. Your hands are open and receptive. Now, bring your attention to your face. Smooth your forehead and clench your jaw. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Soften the little muscles around your eyes. Your face is a mask of peace. Now, visualize a golden light at the top of your head. This is the light of the universal mind. It is intelligent, loving, and powerful. Feel this light pouring down through your crown, filling your mind, clearing away any worry, any doubt, any fear. You are not your thoughts. You are the watcher. You observe your thoughts. Repeat silently. I am whole. I am powerful. I am complete. Feel this light filling your chest, expanding your heart. You are connected to everything. You are a channel for infinite abundance. Breathe in power. Breathe out resistance. Breathe in light. Breathe out limitation. Know that in this stillness, you are recharging, you are aligning, and when you open your eyes, you will carry this peace with you. You will move through your day with sovereignty and grace. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back. How do you feel? That stillness, that you just touched, that is your power source. That is the world within. Your practice this week is simple. Do this relaxation exercise every day for 7 days. Master your body so you can master your mind. Watch what shifts in your outer world when you stop resisting from the inside. You are the operator of your own mind. Turn the key, open the door. I'll see you in the next level of creation. Blessings.